Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this easy frog head on Dress to Impress. So for the outfit, I'm just going to put on the cupcake outfit. You can use any outfit you want. I'm just going to color the light silk, maybe silk, I don't know, on everything. Maybe add like some depth to it, I don't know, like this. And I'm just going to use the like fur set thing. This is just an example. You can kind of style it to whatever you want to, however you want as well. Let me just put on some shoes real quick. And then for the actual hat itself, sorry, we only need 3 items. We need this one. I'm just going to select this one in silk. You don't have to use the silk one, obviously. And then for this one, position the Y at 0.16. And then this rotation is, oh my gosh. Okay, the rotation is the same. And we're going to scale all the way to 1. Then I'm just going to get the like eye, sorry, not the eye, the bear headband. For this one, I'm going to color it green and black, so green silk and then in black. And then for this one, I'm going to position the Y at 0.34. Then the rotation is the same and scale it all the way to a 1. Oh my gosh, kind of looks cute. Okay, and then for the mouth, we're just going to use this in, I think, green in silk and in black. Position, okay, toggle it on head. And then position the Y at 0.18. And then the Z at 0.27. Rotate the X to 0.83. And scale it all the way to a 1. And that's your frog. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. You can also like add more stuff to it. Maybe if you want to like add in a blush, you can use the cat ears in this pink and kind of adjust it yourself here. Maybe like this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!